Cloud is everywhere, but it seems if you don't mention cloud, you're really passé. But there's really a lot of good work on scalability and end-to-end service management for Carrier Ethernet, which is really great as we talk about Ethernet 3.0, Carrier Ethernet 3.0. So that's been fun. I think one of the fundamental take-home messages, and even though it's just the first day, is the fact that MEF, with the conference, are working on real practical solutions. The question is what next, and for some people, like in my case, we're committed from the CEO downwards. In some cases, still Ethernet, it tends to be a small, dirty project for some carriers, right? So I wish my colleagues well pushing that through. Well, one thing we talk about starting Ethernet in the mid-90s, but we never provided anything but Ethernet. So ATM was only a backbone technology. So we stopped at frame relay from a managed service, and we've expanded Ethernet as managed Ethernet from 95. And now it's our mobile backhaul, business solutions, IPTV, and internet. So two things have happened. One is when you consolidate on any technology, you get economies of scale, and the Ethernet prices have outperformed anything else in terms of bit per second. So whether we're lucky or we're totally smart, it's been really good for Telus from a total cost of ownership. So that's what we've done. Our metro is Ethernet access, and our backbone is just a standard backbone. So it's been very good for us. I believe the biggest economic is systems and standards on access. So if you think of Ethernet as aggregating mobile, internet traffic, content, a lot of the standards bodies that deal with content, with mobile, and with the internet, they're not actually talking to each other. They come from different parts of the world. So one of the biggest challenges we had is working on, from an operations point of view, for a single ownership of the access network or aggregation network, which is Ethernet, and that took a lot of cultural conditioning. But the other piece is the investment in systems, right? If you're not going to have the systems leverage Ethernet the same way from a networking point of view, you're losing some of the economies of scale, and we did a lot of investment in that area. And I have to admit, my IT people are simply brilliant on that front.